ChatGPT. So, should you use it? If you should use it, how you should be using it? Actually, I want to talk in this video about ChatGPT and how it got really good for people who is in the content industry, as your industry, digital entrepreneurs. As if you're in this channel and if you're building an online business, you need to market content. You need to have written content. You need to do video content. But when it comes to written content, it goes a long way, because if you want to rank on search engine, written content is where you get the have the highest chance. And when people look for like guides, how to informations, all those things, and if you're not good at video, like I want to come in front of the videos and do videos, and you need to be able to write content. And ChatGPT just got really better. If you're using ChatGPT 4 and the paid version, things are even really good. So this is, I'm using the 3.5 version, which is not the paid version, but at Seeker host James and the team is using the paid version, which is even better. However, if you're using this ChatGPT free version, like most of the people, if you're not using the paid version, it's $20. It's not even much if you want to use it, and I'll recommend it. It's actually good. When I see that one, we test a lot of articles on seekerhost.co, which ended up ranking really high terms. James used it, but there is a way which I'm about to explain in this video. If you are using ChatGPT, how to change it and what I would do before I go and get it published. So this is one. What are the examples? So I asked, what are the examples of real entrepreneurship, and write me the top 20 bullet points with the detailed guide to explaining. So literally, it gave me the 20. So because I read those, I practice for my digital entrepreneurship channel videos. So I want to read a guide and I want to get the information quickly written, and looking with this information, I will practice it. I'll add my knowledge. So if you are using ChatGPT to write content, if you ask this question, first of all, try your best to ask unique questions, the questions that not covered. If you can, if it's not always possible to case, but if you can ask and get a unique piece of a content title, it has the best chances of with less editing to go on your website and rank. However, it's not the case. It's a general article idea, general entrepreneurship, and the examples, top 10 examples I wanted. So what I would do, I will open a Word document and I will copy and drop it. I'll copy and drop the article on the Word document, and then I'll start writing to edit it. I'll edit it, add my tips, and I'll get more information. And then I'm just showing. So this is an example. You can go about and ask an information. So I have articles which I've written, which this is how I will go, and these are all indexed as well. So I wanna show you how this kind of a content. So what is a digital marketer versus digital entrepreneur? So what I've done a video and I embedded it and I've written and I put my wording on top of the chat GPT wording, and I made sure I add the links. This is more information. This is how I would make the article much as unique as or real as possible, even though it used information and wrote it. Because the thing is, like, ChatGPT content is like, it's a language model. It will write accordingly, not just is copy and pasting. So that's the best part of using ChatGPT, and you don't have to worry. It is not straight away copy and pasting. However, search engines can identify if it is written by AI. According to the research I did, I could see search engines can identify it because their tonality, how they write it, and all those kind of things. And if you just copy and drop it, this particular article, what will happen? So I made sure I got the confirmation. I put the conclusion, I put the information, the links, and everything, and I make the content piece as quickly as possible using ChatGPT. However, I made sure it's my data. So when I ask a question like this, like you will see when this article goes on fernandraymond.com business section with my information, with the video, and the article really stands out, right? So that's why all these articles, if you Google on, drop the link and see its index. And also this side is Google Business News approved if you're looking for guest posting. So this is a Google News approved business site which people publish guest post and their paid guest post. So that's how I literally done, and how I use ChatGPT. Video embedded, written my word, put it down, add some links, have my conclusion, and then fine tune it. Because last thing you want to do is, like, you do not actually want to do that. You do not want to copy and paste it. Right. I've tested that as well by actually saying this article is written by using ChatGPT and all. I mentioned it and at my introduction. So there's got index and the stuff. And You don't want to have an closing like this if you're using ChatGPT, and because that's not gonna be much better. Search engines are not gonna like it. If search engines don't like it, they're not gonna send you organic traffic. If you're not getting organic traffic, you're gonna have less readers. That's a problem. However, on the other side, if you're driving paid traffic, like we use tools like Href and all, so I'm creating a lot of guides around the title dual entrepreneurship models. Though this is that article that I wanted to go about. What are the examples? So I'm creating some of the guides. So when I put that, even still, I will put my introductions and my details, but I will. There's our traffic that people are coming to read straight away. So in that case, it's actually fine. You're going to send paid traffic with the using Google AdWords and Facebook marketing and different sort of paid marketing skills, because in that case it's not going to be a problem and you're not worried about organic traffic. So you publish it, nicely done it, put the video, and that's how you would do that one. So if you are a blogger and if you're using ChatGPT kind of thing, so I'll show you now example, PB Insights example. So this is not actually written by ChatGPT at all. So this is an article which ranks top, brings in traffic every single day. And I put a video over here. Guys, like if you are a blogger, if you want to hook the readers quickly right now, rather going to the article, even if to convince them to read this kind of a long article, having a video embedded and making sure with a nice thumbnail and making them to click will take you a long way. If you're a blogger, you should be trying to do that. That's one of the things I started doing. Videos are really good. Top real entrepreneurs, marketers are doing that, and this is something you can practice it when you are going about blogging. So these are the things you can go through, have a look if you're building a blog, and these articles are using ChatGPT, and all these articles are indexed. So I don't see any problem about using ChatGPT. But if you're using ChatGPT, make sure your article is nicely. Put your thoughts, put some reference links, justify your argument, make sure it's well done, and try yourself to be as unique as possible from what's on the web by when you're going for a particular keyword. So if you are doing these things, you should use ChatGPT. It's fine. Try to go for the paid version if you have 20 bucks. I'm showing you on this one. I'll show you in another video on the paid version, ChatGPT 4, which is $20 a month, and the paid version and how it's good and all those things, and we're using for the articles and how I would writing articles. I'll show you in another video how I go about write an article using ChatGPT, and then I do the paraphrasing, and then I will actually go about publishing it, and then how it get indexed and what kind of things I do. A lot of those things I'm going to doing in this channel. So make sure you like and subscribe and tell me what are you building as a blogger, if you have been using ChatGPT, and what's your experience with overall ChatGPT. For me so far, it just started to make things really easier for content creators, even for my video creations, to come up with the nice titles quickly, practice it, create presentation, get the content, put it on the presentation, paraphrase it, put my ideas, change it if whatever I'm not agreeing, get the references, look at the books, get the links, and put that. All those things ChatGPT just made it so efficient, and I can say it's only going to get really, really powerful when it comes to the mobile app and all those things. It's going to get really powerful. So if you are a blogger, if you are a digital marketer, digital entrepreneur, start using ChatGPT. Use paid version, start with the free one, which is nothing wrong. A lot of editing and the things you can do, and sometimes it will be having some issues with like halfway stopping the writing and all, but the paid version, which is pretty good. So try it out. Let me know how you are getting along with ChatGPT and what's your experience about. And I will do, as I said, a full video tutorial about how I use ChatGPT to exactly write it, create that article, publish it, get it indexed, what kind of things I will be doing. Let me know whatever you want to see in this digital entrepreneurship channel, as I bring in everyday videos about digital entrepreneurship, online marketing, online business strategies, and all this information. See you again, Fernand Raymond.